I'll share how to say colors in Mandarin Chinese and write them one by one in traditional Chinese. In this video, I'll introduce you to 4 colors, and they are 红 red, 橙 orange, 黄 yellow, and 绿 green. 你好, I'm Yao. Mandarin is my first language, and I'll support you in your Chinese learning journey. Let's start! Yay! I hope after this video, you know how to write some colors in traditional Chinese and how to read them. Before the end, let's check them again. They are 红 red, 橙 orange, 黄 yellow, and 绿 green. I'll provide you with more colors in Chinese in my future videos. See you again soon. Bye bye.